PUBG Mobile ban? So guys, jokes apart, although PUBG Mobile is banned and removed from Play Store today, I don't know about the Apple Store, but yeah, it's removed from the Play Store. And behind this ban, there was a lot of reason. Actually, not only PUBG, but Indian government has banned at least 150 apps from the Android App Store. So in generally, I don't make a lot of videos on mobile apps or games in this channel, but yeah, as PUBG Mobile was the biggest game in the Indian community and the Indian viewership for the games is joined the social platforms for PUBG. That's why, yeah, we need to talk about this. Now, I will not talk about the other apps like TikTok or Rules of Survival, but as PUBG was the famous game in India, the thing is PUBG was using the location and the microphone of the user, so maybe sometimes it is a privacy threat to the countrymen, so maybe the government has banned PUBG Mobile. But also there's no substitute for PUBG Mobile right now available, and as far as I know, PUBG Mobile was actually a franchise of the actual PUBG PC, which was developed in South Korea by Brendan Green typically, and it was the main company was Bluehole, and Tencent was not the developer, Tencent was the distributor. So I think Bluehole may be shift their distribution from Tencent to another company, and they will make some compensation, they'll compensate the errors, and maybe they'll talk with Indian government, and maybe they can unban PUBG Mobile in future. But in the current situation, okay, it's, I don't know, PUBG Mobile is so much big in India, and the viewership and the users, the amount of users was so big, even the 20% of the actual income of PUBG Mobile was coming from India. So typically I don't think they will ban it, or they will at least try to unban it in future, but till now move towards Call of Duty Mobile, because that is the only game which have typically the sports potential in it, and I think people should follow it up. Now also PUBG Mobile was typically the most popular game for the or between the streamers in YouTube, Facebook from India. So I think now PUBG emulator is gone, or the PUBG Mobile is gone, so the Indian gaming community will get some good games or gamers from like PC, because people will get to know about PC games and also about PC gaming tournaments. And there are so many low specs games also and high specs game, but people will get to know. Now people will understand that i9 9900K and 2080 Ti or 2080 Super is not to play PUBG emulator. Actually you can play at least any single game on like high FPS or high resolution. So now it's a big thing. Now let me know what you guys think about it, and if you guys really mobile gamer and you don't have pretty much any other options, then I'm giving a link or the list of games you can play in Android or iOS devices. So go and check them out. And I stream pretty much every day on Facebook, Apex Legends, link here, fb.gg/cyanide-neil. Don't forget to join in if you love the PC gaming community in India. So see you soon guys, bye bye.